So I've actually never slept with one of these on, and we've got this really, really light silicone that goes around our nose. And again, this is an APAP anti-snoring machine. It does, right, as I take this off, and you can hear it, is that it's fully on right now because I'm not breathing. But when I put it on, it actually adjusts to my breathing and my breathing rate. Which is really nice, right? And then the other thing that I did not show when we did the unboxing is the actually nose piece rotates around. So if you're a side sleeper, the cord will get out of your way.